Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is White Hart Roundabout from Southall Test Center. As you can see in this picture, this roundabout has 5 exits, including the one you were waiting at. On the left, we have 2 exits, Hetero, first left, and Yeading, second left. The third exit goes straight ahead, Ruislip, Oxbridge. The fourth one, Harrow or North Road, and the last one is the one you were waiting at. Now watch how to do the first exit on the left. 5 colon before, check interior mirror, left door mirror, signal left, and choose the left lane. As you get closer, you can see this roundabout is controlled by the traffic light. If it is green, so you can proceed. Otherwise, for amber and red, you have to wait behind the line until the traffic light changes so you can proceed after. Remember, sometimes this lane is getting blocked by another vehicle, so you cannot fully fit in your gap, so it's better to stay away until you fit so you can proceed. Then, after turning left, you have a dual carriageway. The speed limit is 40 down there. So as soon as you turn left, make sure on good time, speed up. Now it's green, so we are ready to go. And as soon as you turn, so you can see there is a double carriageway and the speed limit is 40. Now watch how to do the second exit on the left. You don't need to apply the signal, then you can apply it later as soon as you pass the first exit, but check your mirrors and then choose the left lane. Again, you have to wait for the traffic light. Now it's green, so we proceed. Then we choose the first lane with the traffic light. So first lane to first lane. Now you can apply the left signal. Because we already passed the first exit, so this signal is for the second exit to exit the roundabout. Each exit of this roundabout has a traffic light, so remember, once you pass one of the exits, look at the traffic light before proceeding for the second one. Now it's green, so we can proceed. As soon as you enter second exit, the speed limit is 20 and 2 lanes gonna merge together, so remember to look to your right mirror at that time. Now watch how to do the third exit straight ahead, going to Ruislip and Oxbridge. We don't need to apply signal at the moment as we need to pass the second exit, then we apply the left indication for the third exit. The lane we need is the middle lane, so start from the left and then keep the center line close to you. Directly you will reach in the middle lane without any signal. Traffic light is red, so I have to stop completely until it changes to green. Then I can proceed. Inside roundabout, we have 4 different lanes. This time, we need to pick the second left because the first left was going to Yeading as we done it in the last clip. And then this time, we need the second from the left to go to the third exit. Throughout, we don't change the lane again. This is the lane we have to finish it with the third exit. Now I can proceed. So second lane from the left. Traffic light is red again. I need to wait. Already I passed the first exit. Now I have to wait for the second exit to be passed before applying the left indication. So remember, we are not changing the lane at all. This is the lane we are at the moment. We have to continue with the same lane. We can proceed now. Carry on like a half circle until you pass the second exit. Now this is the time to apply the left indication to show I am leaving a roundabout. As soon as you enter third exit, at the beginning you have 2 lanes, then they're gonna merge with each other and become single lane. So remember to look to your right door mirror, and the speed limit later is 40, so you have to speed up quicker. Now watch how to do the fourth exit going to Northwold and Harrow. On approach, check your interior mirror, right door mirror, right indication and right lane. The third lane and the last lane you need to pick. Traffic light is already green, so we don't need to wait, we carry on. Inside roundabout we have 4 exits, so you need the third one from the left. So remember, inside roundabout, the first lane was going to Yering, second lane to Oxbridge, and then third lane to Northwold, which is the fourth exit. Also, remember to keep this lane throughout. You don't need to change it at all. So we proceed. We don't change the lane, just keep same lane. We pass the second exit as well. Still we continue with the right indication. We carry on with the same lane until we pass the third exit as well, still with the right indication. Now, this is the time to check left door mirror, signal left to show I am leaving roundabout. As soon as you enter, you have 2 lanes. Later, the left lane is a bus lane and the speed limit is 30. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for further content.